spitting that heat in the morning. Yeah, cold nights in the motherfucking studio with my bro. Pop of them gas, my we just doing nothing. Don't try to come in here and fuck us up. If you do, then that be your bad. You know what I'm saying?
Don't ever anticipate the sound. Where we coming from? This is straight underground. This is that new shit. In the studio is where we really do shit. Barely had a place to go and make music, so we made our own place for our movement. Yeah.
Me and bro up in the yoke, doing our own thing, and we stay on the low, cause we was broke. Then we had to get it, and now we gon' take it, bring it back home. Know what I'm saying? This hypno sounds, so probably wouldn't get this shit back, but it's all good cause we was creating them new styles. And you'll see that in the low box, you know what I mean, that we get popping that shit is just period. And I did that shit and I fucked up cause I'm just a little shit. You know what I'm saying? Nigga want that one.
Bro, so why would I think you be there when we rich? I'm just trying to get a bad girl. Same fucking time, I was rich. Hey, yo, what they gon' do when you get lit? Hey, but where you gon' go when you ain't got shit? Oh,
man, fuck all that structure shit.
Better than that.
Man, fuck all the other.
Can do it through rap.
Man, fuck all that other shit. Yeah, fuck the government. Fuck
the world, we changing
fuck the
it.
pigs. Them niggas hate.
Today we making
We just tryna live.
Yeah, we was out late on a cold night while you was ordering dinner. We was looking for beats, smoking these buzz. Yeah, we the sons of some chiefs.
I had to go and get mine, cause there was no fucking other option for me. I'm ballin', wish I could've went to the league. But that's another dream for another day. I gotta get mine just another way. Man, I go hard, man, I know.
And I pick up my feet so my sneaks, they don't ever scrape up. Keeping them clean for the perfect day. Just in case I gotta take off and levitate with Trey. They need to go past the stars and really see what's there. Yeah, compatible artists making, creating, and beating on smart shit. Yeah, word.